Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Lingua Meet. Have you tried Uber or other similar services in Egypt? If you did, what was the experience? Was it easy? I'm helping you in this episode with some phrases that will make your life easier and it will be easy for you to explain your destination further to the driver. But before I start with the first phrase, don't forget to join my free course. It is 100% free and gives you the basics of spoken Egyptian. You'll find the link in the first comment and also حضرتك فين دلوقتي؟ or حضرتك فين دلوقتي if the driver is a lady. So حضرتك فين دلوقتي. حضرتك, usually we say حضرتك which is you, but this is the polite form of you. حضرتك to a male, حضرتك to a female. حضرتك, حضرتك. فين, it means where. Okay, where. And دلوقتي, it means now. So حضرتك فين دلوقتي? Where are you now? Usually you're looking at the app and you are in the map, for example, and you're not sure where the driver is. So it is a very handy phrase to say to the driver at this time. حضرتك فين دلوقتي or حضرتك فين دلوقتي. The second phrase, let's imagine that the driver is already there and you are going to the taxi, but you had something to do that will make you a little bit late. Okay, so you will be late for about 1 minute or so. So you will call the Uber and tell him or her, sorry, I will be a little bit late. So أنا هتأخر شوي. أنا هتأخر شوي. أنا is I. هتأخر is the future tense of the verb يتأخر, which means to be late. هتأخر, I will be late. Future tense. With the ha, we say H future. Okay, H future. And I'm explaining the H future and all the tenses and all the components of spoken Egyptian in my accelerator course. Don't forget to look at the description box and see the link there and know all about the features and the price. So هتأخر, the future. Okay, I will be late. شوية, it means a little bit, for some time. Okay, أنا هتأخر شوية. I will be a little bit late. Imagine that you are in Uber and usually the Uber is supposed, especially the comfort one, is supposed to have the air conditioning feature as well. Let's imagine that you have the Uber and there's no option like this. So the driver is always opening the window and the air conditioning is not working. So you will request that the driver turn on the air conditioning. So we'll say ممكن تفتح التكييف لو سمحت. ممكن تفتح التكييف لو سمحت. تفتح التكييف. التكييف, it means the air conditioning. التكييف, the air conditioning. تفتح التكييف, it means will you or can you open or turn on, which is more accurate. Turn on the air conditioning, please. لو سمحت. You can also say من فضلك. Okay, ممكن تفتح التكييف لو سمحت. This is very important if you want, for example, that it's very hot and you want the air conditioning. The next sentence will be also related to the air conditioning. Let's see. Now, this sentence is also, or this phrase is also related to the air conditioning system. So instead of requesting to turn on the air conditioning is already there, but you want either to turn it up or turn it down. Okay, so you say ممكن تهدي التكييف لو سمحت. ممكن تهدي التكييف. This means to turn down, to make it a little bit less. Okay, also if you want to make it more, you can say ممكن تعلي. This is the opposite of تهدي. So تهدي, to make it less cool. تعلي التكييف, it means to make it colder. To make it colder. Okay, it's not enough. Okay, so ممكن تعلي التكييف لو سمحت. It is not enough. or ممكن تهدي التكييف. The air conditioning is really full power and you cannot, it's very cold. هدي التكييف, please make it softer. Okay, this is also very important in many situations where you are in Uber and you want to tell the driver to adjust the air conditioning based on your need, or if you have cold, or if you are chilly, or something like this. The last sentence here, imagine that you wanted to cancel the trip in the app and it didn't work, or there's a problem, or whatever. Maybe you call the driver and tell him I want to cancel it. Okay, so you say ممكن ألغي الرحلة لو سمحت. Here the trip, it means الرحلة. الرحلة, which is actually the trip that will bring you from your home or the location that you are in into the destination. Okay, so you say, tell the driver ممكن ألغي الرحلة لو سمحت. Or you can say أنا عايز ألغي الرحلة. I want to cancel. أنا عايز ألغي الرحلة if it is affirmative, or ممكن ألغي الرحلة لو سمحت. Okay, so أنا I عايز I want ألغي to cancel الرحلة the trip. لو سمحت or من فضلك please. So أنا عايز ألغي الرحلة لو سمحت.